Now, let us do activity 8. Read and enjoy. So, students, we read and enjoy this story. First, I will read the story, then explain it. So, let us read the story. Children loved visiting Gandhiji. A little boy who was there one day was gently distressed to see the way Gandhiji was dressed. Such a great man, yet he doesn't even wear a shirt, he wondered. Why don't you wear a kurta, Gandhiji? The little boy couldn't help asking him finally. Where is the money, son? Gandhiji asked gently. I am very poor. I can't afford a kurta. The boy's heart was filled with pity. My mother sews well, he said. She makes all my clothes. I will ask her to sew a kurta for you. How many kurtas can your mother make? Gandhiji asked. How many do you need? Asked the boy. 1, 2, 3. She will make as many as you want. Gandhiji thought for a moment. Then he said, But I am not alone, son. It wouldn't be right for me to be the only one to wear a kurta. How many kurtas do you need? The boy persisted. I will ask my mother to make as many as you want. Just tell me how many you need. I have a very large family, son. I have 40 crore brothers and sisters, Gandhiji explained. Till every one of them has no kurta to wear. How can I wear one? Tell me. Can your mother make kurtas for all of them? At this question, the boy became very thoughtful. 40 crore brothers and sisters, Gandhiji was right. Till every one of them had no kurta to wear, how could he wear one himself? After all, the entire nation was Gandhiji's family, and he was the head of that family. He was their friend and companion. What use would one kurta to be to him? This is very nice story. So students, let us learn this story. Before learning this story, first we understand some word meaning. First, to visit means to meet. मुलाकात लेना, right? We visited Taj Mahal. Distressed means very unhappy, उदास हो जाना, चिंतित हो जाना, वरी करना, right? To wonder means to have questions, आश्चर्य होना, सरप्राइज होना. The boy wondered to see such a great man. Gandhiji didn't wear kurta, right? Gently means kindly. धीरे से. She spoke gently. afford means to have enough money to buy something. समर्थ होना या कर सकना, right? For example, I can afford to give the toy to you. Pity means kindness, दया, हमदर्दी जताना. The boy have pity on Gandhiji, right? To sew means to stitch, सिलाई करना, सिलना. For example, the tailor sew clothes, right? To persist means दृढ़ रहना, जिद करना, कंटिन्यू करना मतलब गो ऑन होना, राइट? टू कंटिन्यू. टू एक्सप्लेन मीन्स समझना, समझाना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई एक्सप्लेन दिस स्टोरी. एंटायर मतलब होल, ऑल. नेशन मीन्स कंट्री, राष्ट्र. इंडिया इज अवर नेशन, राइट? एंड कंपेनियन मीन्स फ्रेंड, साथी, मित्र. हमारे साथ कंपनी देता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? कंपेनियन, राइट? ओके, नाउ राइट डाउन दिस न्यू वर्ड्स इन योर नोटबुक.